course offers videos that teach Brazilian Portuguese using the direct method. What is the direct method? We get students to think in Portuguese without using translation. The student learns through word and image association. It's the way that we learn our mother tongue, through repetition, examples, and association. You listen, you talk, you read, and finally you write. Our videos are unique and exclusive and are present teaching vocabulary and grammar in an intuitive way. Think about it. We all learn to speak our native language this way. English through English. So, Portuguese through Portuguese.